How to transfer your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can transfer your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to transfer your WhatsApp chats from one phone to another, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the WhatsApp application, then tap the profile icon from the top right, and then you simply want to go to the option called Chats. Scroll down, you'll find the option called Transfer Chats. Now when you tap the Transfer Chats option, you can tap the Start option. Make sure you actually turn on nearby devices or scanning or whatever else. Also make sure to turn on your GPS. Once you've done that, it will actually ask WhatsApp to scan the QR code, so you have to make sure to scan the QR code that will show up on the other device. After it's done that process, you will be able to go ahead and then basically transfer your WhatsApp chats. This way you'll be able to transfer your WhatsApp chats. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.